Hey, my dear kids, once again, welcome back to my class. Today, we are going to learn phonic vowel blend of double E. So today, we are going to learn double E sound words. So before starting, students, can you tell me what is the sound of double E? Okay, I will help you. The sound of double E is E. Say with me, E. The sound of double E is E. Say with me, E. Once again, E. One more time, E. Now, we are going to learn some double E sound words. So kids, please say the words with me loudly. What you can see in this picture, kids? Which insect is this? Yes, it's a bee. It's a bee. B-E-B. B-E-B. Say with me once again, B-E-B. So, B-double-E-B. B-double-E-B. Say with me loudly, B-E-B. B-double-E-B. Do you know, kids? Bee is an insect which can fly. And bee gives us honey. Bee gives us honey. Now next picture. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, you are right. It's a ship. It's a ship. And the spelling of ship is S-H means sh. Sh-E-P ship. Sh-E-P ship. S-H-E-E-P ship. Say with me everybody. Sh-E-P ship. Sh-E-P ship. Kids, do you know? Ship gives us wool. Ship gives us wool. Now let us see the next picture. I know that you all know what is this, right? Yes, it's a tree. It's a tree. The spelling of tree is T-R means tr. Tr-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R, tr-E, tree. Tr-E, tree. Say with me, T-R-E-E, tree. Tr-E, tree. Do you know, kids? Trees are our best friends. They are our best friends. They give us fruits, flowers, wood, oxygen and many more things. Now let's see our next picture. It's our feet. It's our feet. The spelling of fit is F-E-T, fit. Say with me, F-E-T, fit. F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Feet help us to walk. Say the spelling once again. F-E-E-T, fit. F-E-E-T, feet. Now let's see the next picture. I hope that you all know this. Am I right? Yes, It's a jeep. It's a jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. Say it one more time. J-E-E-P, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. This jeep helps us to move from one place to another. It helps us to move from one place to another. Now students, please take out your copy and at the top corner write today's date.
01.12.2121.
And now on the heading write double E sound words. On the heading write double E sound words. Now write number 1. There you write B-double-E-B. B-double-E-B. Number 2. There you write S-H-double-E-P, sheep. S-H-double-E-P, sheep. Next, number 3. There you write T-R-double-E, tree. T-R-double-E, tree. Number 4. You write F-double-E-T, fit. F-double-E-T, feet. Then number 5 you write J-double-E-P, jeep. J-double-E-P, jeep. Now kids, let us revise the words with phonic sound. Number 1. B-E-B. B-E-B. Say with me. B-E-B. Number 2. Sh-E-P, ship. Sh-E-P, ship. Number 3. Tr-E, tree. Tr-E, tree. Next, number 4. F-E-T, fit. F-E-T, fit. Number 5. J-E-P, jeep. J-E-P, jeep. For today, bye-bye and have a nice day.